sitemap is a structured file that acts as a roadmap for your website. It lists all the pages and content on your site, helping search engines like Google understand and navigate your website's structure more efficiently. Think of it like a table of contents for your entire website. There are two main types of sitemaps. The first is an XML sitemap, which is written in a machine-readable format specifically designed for search engines to crawl and index your website's content. The second is an HTML sitemap, which is a regular web page with links to all your major sections, designed for humans to read and navigate your site easily. Sitemaps offer several important benefits. First, they improve your search engine optimization, or SEO, by helping search engines find and index all your pages more effectively. Second, they provide clear content organization by showing how your website's pages relate to each other in a hierarchical structure. Third, they enable easy navigation for both search engine crawlers and real users trying to find specific content on your site. An XML sitemap follows a specific structure. It starts with an XML declaration, then contains a root element called URL set. Inside this, each page is represented as a separate URL element. Each URL element can include the page's location or address, the date it was last modified, and other optional information that helps search engines understand your content better. Within an XML sitemap, several key elements provide important information. The lock element contains the complete web address of the page. The lastMod element shows the date when the page was last updated. The changefreq element indicates how often the page typically changes, like daily, weekly, or monthly. Finally, the priority element uses a scale from 0.0 to 1.0 to show which pages are most important relative to other pages on your site. Creating a sitemap involves three main steps. First, list all the URLs on your website by identifying every page and piece of content you want search engines to find. Second, organize your pages hierarchically by grouping related pages together and arranging them by importance. Third, add metadata like last modified dates and priority levels to help search engines understand which pages matter most and how fresh your content is. Sitemaps provide three major benefits for your website. First, they enable faster indexing, meaning search engines discover and add your pages to their index more quickly. Second, they contribute to better search rankings because improved visibility leads to higher positions in search results. Third, they enhance user experience by making it easier for visitors to find the content they're looking for through clear navigation. To make your sitemap work, you need to submit it to search engines. You can submit your sitemap to Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools, which are free tools from these search engines. You can also reference your sitemap in your robots.txt file. To create a sitemap, you can use tools like Screaming Frog SEO Spider, the Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress, or various online sitemap generators that automate the process for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.